So I'll let you in a little secret that all the textbooks have been wrong for hundreds of years, and you can't have electron flow and voltage reading at the same time. You can either have one or the other. And that's because there must be a voltage drop in order to read the voltage, a full voltage drop, and because of that, there can't be any electrons go through. So the voltmeter must be set up in parallel, not series, and a voltmeter has theoretically infinite resistance. And so I'll show you here, I'll set it up for you in the different things. I'm just taking a large resistor to put into this third one. So the first thing I'm going to do is set up the classic galvanic cell. Copper zinc, 1 molar each, everything done properly this time, proper salt bridge, everything done right. I should get about 1.1 volts, but I only get 0.9 volts. And so I connect it up just with the voltmeter, and there you go. All right, so 0.9 volts. So the question is, am I getting any electrons going through? Because that is set up in series, and the voltmeter has infinite resistance. So there shouldn't be any current that can get through. And so I just connect up to the second. On the right is the ammeter, on the left is the voltmeter that's reading the 0.9. And I connect that up just there, and voila, you don't get anything, you get zero. That one's set up as milliamps. So I had one colleague say it does work. Why does it work sometimes? Well, sometimes we can't find a voltmeter that's not broken, so there must be some leakage. So the next one I'm going through is this time getting rid of the voltmeter and just leaving the ammeter there. So now the voltmeter is zero. On the left it's zero, and on the right I've got about 3 milliamps. And so if I get rid of all the resistance, current can now flow, and I get 3 milliamps, and it works. But now voltage is zero. So the diagram's wrong. You can't have voltage and current. You can only have one or the other. Okay? And so you can still see some leakage. There's 0.05, it's jumping around a bit. Sometimes we can't find a voltmeter that isn't broken. All right, so leakage is going to happen. All right, so the last one I'm going to do here is inserting a, I think I showed you at the very start, it's almost 100,000 ohms. It's probably not strong enough. And you can see I am getting a voltage. It's almost 0.9 again. And there's no current, and this time it's set up properly. The voltmeter's in parallel, so it's measuring the full voltage drop. Okay, so that just proves to you can only have one or the other, and your diagrams are wrong. Okay,